Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video guys will be working on Lincoln MKX and we'll show you guys the torque specs for the front brakes. Stay with us guys, we'll share that with you. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Now the torque specs that we share are for ours 2009 model guys. Yours always consult with your manual before you do that, because some models may differ depending if it's an all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, configuration and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll be using guys, a big torque wrench now, and we have two different kinds of bolts. Ones are for the brake caliper mount. This one right here, this bolt, it's with 19mm socket, and the one on the bottom here, the ones with the 19mm socket in our case are 98 foot-pound, 98 foot-pound, or they need to be guys 98 foot-pound or 133 Newton meters. So 98 foot-pound or 133 Newton meters. Now this is a click type wrench guys. What happens? When we reach the torque, you're going to hear a click and the handle will move. Once that happens, you need to stop immediately, otherwise you're going to put too much torque. So let's demonstrate what needs to be done. That's it guys, don't go more. Now we need to do the top one. Perfect. Those two are ready to go. Now we have two more bolts, and those are guys the guide pin bolts, one here and one on the bottom, this one here. Those are with 17mm socket, and according to our manual guys, for our model they need to be 65 foot-pound or 88 Newton meters. 88 Newton meters. So listen now, again, click type wrench. We got a smaller one for here, it's more convenient. That's it. Okay, perfect. So those are guys the torque specs for the brakes. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos guys. If you have any recommendations or need any specific video, drop a comment below and we will guys try our best to make a video for your problem. See you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.